welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip actually comes at a viewer request. We had this kind request come to us via Instagram. Sometimes we'll put out little questions that we are looking for your opinions and answers on. So please make sure to check in with our Cheap Joe's Art Stuff Instagram account, as well as Facebook and all that kind of good stuff. And the question is, what is the proper method to clean and dispose of your solvents when you're cleaning up after oil painting? This is actually easier than it sounds, but there are some precautions and safety measures that you need to keep in mind. One is invest in a really great oil-related brush cleaner can, like this one. This one's an Airtight stainless steel brush washer can, and as you can see, like, it makes a little pop noise when you take this off. That is airtight and of course spill proof and stuff. So you would put your mineral spirits or turpentine or turpenoid or whatever you use to clean your brushes with. It has a little tank in there, so you're not going to accidentally drop your really small brushes in there. And it's also nice to have like some kind of like small agitator at the bottom to kind of work those bristles a little bit and loosen up any kind of paint in the solvent and stuff. So you can take this out and stuff, but like fill it up with like turpentine, mineral spirits, whatever it is that's your favorite thing to use. Well, after use and time, so let's say that every time you finish painting, you close this up so that it's not like off gassing and stuff in your studio and everything, and you lock it up. And when you clean off your brushes, you've gotten all the big stuff off, you've cleaned it as much as you can, and then you're wiping the excess moisture off with some paper towels, making sure that your brush head is completely and totally clean. Those paper towels really and truthfully need to be put into a smaller, like, grocery store bag and then tied off, because just the fumes and stuff from those paper towels off-gassing into the air can be kind of dangerous. So I recommend that you bag them up separately when you put them in your trash. Over time and over several, rinses of brushes and stuff, this, solvent will become murkier and muddy and stuff like that. So then what do you do with it, right? The best thing that I advise for you to do is to have a large coffee can, like a metal can. If you have to, you could also use like an old plastic paint bucket, but either way, it has to have a lid. And then what you can do is when this gets murky and disgusting and isn't working so great anymore, it's fully loaded, you can actually empty this out into the coffee can and then keep it shut. What'll happen over time is that the particulate in the pigment and stuff will fall to the bottom, and then you'll get like more solvent kind of residing on the top. But as that continues to fill up, you just use it as your overflow, where when you're emptying this, it goes into that. But you need to make absolutely sure that it is secure and it has a lid so that it is not going to leak or get tipped over or anything like that. When that overflow can fills up, then you take it to the hazardous material area at your local dump. You will turn it in like you would turn in like a half-used bucket of old latex paint or something like that. It goes to that special area. They know what to do with it. Do not dump it in the creek in your backyard. Do not pour it on your neighbor's lawn. Those kinds of things are absolute no-nos. They know how to properly deal with that, and they understand when you turn that can in, how to deal with it for you. So make sure you invest in something like this, like a brush washing unit that is airtight and sealable, and also make sure you got like a little reservoir can that you can use to dispose of all of these materials safely and properly and dutifully. And we thank you for your question and hope you enjoy.